this normal for it to misfire like that? Let's do it, mate. Let's do it. Do you mind if I drive? I won't be a dickhead. There's nothing in front of me, is there?
No.
Is this normal for it to misfire like that?
I had to drive it home from work and cruising it was okay, but it was doing normal misfire things of...
ESP error?
I think that's because of the wheel speed sensor.
So how long ago did you buy it? Like a month? If that? 2 months?
Give or take, yeah.
Yeah. It's hating idling. Misfiring, eh? You can hear it. Wait, where can I accelerate? Is there a road? Like a main road?
Right at the lights.
Yeah.
There's a decent street.
I think it's running on like 4, bro. It's not going to turn off if it's...
It's just not like a lot.
I'm going to get it back to your house, mate.